Comparing a heavy sixer joystick with a standard Atari joystick. Typically the heavy sixer joystick are more desirable due to being a little bit better built. One of the main things you can see different between the two joysticks concerns the fire button. On the heavy sixer, the fire button sticks up a little bit higher, has a nice click to it. On the standard Atari joystick, the fire button is kind of recessed a little bit and doesn't really move that much. It makes like a thud sound. Now let's open them up, see how they look like inside. First thing you'll notice on the heavy sixer joystick is the circuit board's a little bit different. Standard joystick. As you can see on the heavy sixer joystick, there's an extra little piece of plastic to activate the buttons on the circuit board. The circuit boards look pretty much identical. Here's the fire button from a heavy sixer. There's a nice spring attached to it. You see the button has a little bit of a chamfer. Here's their standard Atari joystick button. A little bit shorter, flatter, little spring. On the joystick itself, you can see there's springs on each axis. That's to push down these little tabs to activate the switches. Just like that. The only visually way you can tell the difference between the two joysticks would be the fire buttons. Like I said, this one sticks up a little bit higher out of the joystick itself than the standard one. If you actually are able to hold a joystick, you can tell the difference by the way it clicks. If you're able to find them, try to get a heavy sixer joystick.